might have a problem here. Catch you inside.
RevelatorAlf.
Right, so I've had this helmet here, open face helmet, which I love to ride with, especially when I'm just doing my own thing. But I've noticed, obviously, I've had it for quite a few years, and it's it's very loose. Yeah, the line is all compressed, and it's all a bit rubbish. So I love the style, love the simplicity. So I wanted to get the cheapest budget helmet that I could for the same sort of style. I think I got it. Just cost me just over £30. All EC approved, got all the numbers. It's as safe as an open face helmet can be, because let's face it, but it's supposedly. Right, let's see if it fits. It's over there. Hold on. Best I take this off first. Look at this. It's the Zorax helmet. Yeah, sounds a bit like a Doctor Who alien, doesn't it? The invasion of the Zorax. Right. Let me open the box. Wait. Right. Got the little clip on there. It's got a helmet bag. Bish bash bosh. Done. Oh. Got this. Oh, these peaks. Yeah, it's not the blue oyster bar anymore, that's for sure. Get rid of that. Okay, next thing. Does this fit? It does. Hold on. Selfie time. Yeah, alright. It works. Let's go and give it a go. Oh yeah. Link in the description below. As I say, Amazonia, just over 30 quid. Yeah, in time. It's a nice tight fit as well. Works. Get rid of that. Yeah, it's a bit more slim fitting than I'm used to, but you know. Yeah, I've got to say, it fits all right, actually. It feels nice and comfortable, nice and tight in the helmet. Just got to get used to the look of it. But for an open face helmet, matte black, for £30, it's not bad. If you like this style, of course. If you don't, then you won't. So there you go, not a bad effort. £30, new helmet, and it fits properly, which is the most important thing. And only use it for cruising around, which is all good. So, off I go. Hello. The Zorax has